Screamhaven Shorts. White noise. To most, it's harmless. A soft curtain to drown out the world. But noise is never truly empty. It's full of things we're not supposed to hear. Val found that out far too late. She was a sound technician. Midnight shifts. Endless hours alone, filling the silence with static. Not music. Not talk. Just raw, unfiltered signal. The hiss of empty air. But something was inside that hiss. Watching. She first saw him in the corner of her vision. A silhouette made of crawling static. No eyes. No skin. Just interference, in human form. He didn't move. He glitched. She thought she was imagining it. Until the playback whispered,
"You tuned me in. Now you can't tune me out."
It spread to her phone, her outlets, her mind. Anything with a signal became his doorway. He didn't speak. He buzzed. She tried cutting everything off. Silence. Isolation. Darkness. But that's when he got louder. He doesn't live in sound. He lives in absence. He is what's left when your world goes quiet. She vanished 3 weeks ago. The only trace left is a strange file on her hard drive. Just static. Until you listen closely. And then you hear her screaming.